Hi, it's Eric Groudens here, and in this video I'm going to explain how we connect the domain name that you've just registered to the web host. Now, we've got, if you've registered your domain name, you would have logged into your domain registrar's control panel. And as you can see, what I did, I've got a domain name there, ericstestlab.com, and it's just sitting there under the registrar's control panel. Now, on the net, there are literally thousands of web hosts. Big ones, little ones, reliable ones, unreliable ones. You just have to choose which one you think will suit you best. I recommend HostGator. I use them myself, and they provide a very reliable, very inexpensive service for what you get. Now, when you choose, you make your choice from all of these web hosts, and let's say, all right, we'll pick this one, HostGator. And you sign up with them, you have an account, you tell them that you're going to connect ericstestlab.com to it, and HostGator will give you a couple of internet addresses which will connect to their system. And these are called name servers. Name server. And they'll be something like ns1 dot something or other .com and ns2 dot something or other .com, or they could be something like ns476 dot hostgator.com. What those name server addresses are is the means to connect your domain name to whatever web host you choose. Getting really fancy here with different colors. Okay, so what you do with those name server addresses, you go back to your domain registrar, you log into the control panel, and you enter these name server addresses into the control panel for the domain name you've registered. If you've got different domain names, you can have different domain names going to different web hosts. So when we go back, and I'll show you this, when I connect ericstestlab.com to the web host, we'll be logging into the control panel, putting in the name server addresses, and that will connect this domain name to the HostGator system. Then I'll be able to put all my files into my account at HostGator, and when somebody types in ericstestlab.com, they'll be connected to HostGator. Now, if for some reason HostGator goes belly up, all is not lost. I can choose another web host. They'll give me their name servers. I'll give them, I'll go into my domain registration control panel and get rid of the connection to HostGator. Oh, having technical problems here. The thing's not doing what they're supposed to. So after I put the new name servers in, Eric's Test Lab would be connected to this host, where I have I can put all my files, websites, graphic, whatever. So your domain name is the first step in, or the most important step in setting up your online business. The web host is the second one, and we'll come back and go through that exercise. Okay, now I'm going to show you what you need to do at your domain name registrar to connect your domain name to your web host. I'll log into the registrar control panel again. Now, your domain name registrar's login is the most important thing of your online business, because if anybody gets hold of that, they can totally take over your website, your email system, everything. I'm going to enter the domain name here, ericstestlab.com, and we'll modify it. Okay, so we're transferring the DNS to a web host. At the moment, the domain name is connected to Namecheap's hosting servers, and you might want it to leave it there if your website is somewhere like Blogger. And what you can do is connect your domain name to your Blogger website. We're not going to do that. We're going to connect the website, or connect the domain name, to our own website on HostGator. And remember, I said that the web host would give you some name server addresses. Well, the addresses that I have to put in are ns1057 website welcome.com, and tab down to the second one is ns1058.sitewelcome.com. Now you can sometimes choose the name servers you have. Website Welcome is a more generic name server than HostGator, and it's a bit harder for people to find out where you're hosting if you use a generic name server. So really, that's all there is to connect your domain name to your web host. You just put in the name servers into your domain registrar's control panel, click on Save Changes, Processing, live video. You've got to love it, don't you? All right, that's it.